If you want to hard reset your OPPO Find X9 Pro by going to recovery mode, then in this case, first of all, we need to turn off our phone. So I'm gonna use the power button and volume up button at the same time to open the power menu. And then over here, we need to slide it down over here in order to power off our phone. Once the phone is completely off, we're gonna need to press and hold the power button and volume down button. So let's press and hold these two buttons and just keep holding like this until you actually see the recovery mode. So even if you see the OPPO logo, you still want to keep holding these two buttons. And now we have to be patient to let the phone go into the recovery mode. And there we go. First we have the language selection. We can either just tap anywhere on the screen, or we can use volume buttons in order to navigate in this menu and confirm by pressing the power button. And there we go. Here we have the format data option, and if you go over here, you will have to enter the verification code that you see over here, and then you will perform the factory reset or hard reset of the phone. And that is pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.